Gusto ko marinig ang sigawan ng lahat. Ladies and gentlemen, let us all welcome the two-time gold winner, Carlos Yulo! Woo! Yulo! Palakpakan po muli natin. This time, may we invite the coach, the people behind Carlos Yulo's success, and of course, the president of the PSC, sir, please join us here. And the Philippine Gymnastics, please join us on stage. Family members in attendance. Palakpakan po muli natin. Okay, one more. Show us your smile, everyone. In 3. Tingin sa camera. In 3. Ayan, tingin po sa camera, and 3, 2, and 1. Isang A nga muna dyan. A! There we have it, ladies and gentlemen. Let's give them a round of applause. Maraming salamat po. Oh, ayan, isang selfie daw muna. Nagre-request lang. Ayan. But wait, there's more. Ayan ha. Aside from the 6 million pesos, ang lahat po ng mga house members ay nagbigay po ng cash gift para sa ating gold medalist. And this is amounting to 8,010,000 pesos. May we invite all our house members in attendance for a one big group photo. Please join us. Maraming salamat po sa ating mga house members. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat po. You may now take back to your seats because this time, let us hear a response from all the athletes. On behalf of all the athletes, ating pong pakinggan ang ating Olympic gold medalist, we would like now to acknowledge the presence of EJ Obiena. Hi, sir. Again, may we invite everyone now to please settle down and let us hear the message on behalf of all the athletes. Ladies and gentlemen, let us welcome the Olympic gold medalist, Mr. Carlos Yulo.
Okay na po. Hello po. Maraming salamat po sa lahat po na nagdasal po sa amin at sumuporta. Nagpuyat po para mapanood po yung mga competitions namin at ma-appreciate po yung hard works and yung lahat ng paghihirap po namin na ma-perform po ng maayos yung mga performance po namin. Maraming salamat po sa lahat po. God bless us all po. Ang panalo po namin ay panalo po nating lahat. Salamat po.
Maraming salamat po, Mr. Carlos Yulo. Palakpakan po muli natin. Thank you so much. This time, may we again invite on stage, apologies, our House Speaker, Martin Romualdez, and our Committee on Accounts Chair, Congresswoman Yeda Romualdez, to award the additional cash incentive for our 2 bronze medalists. Muli po, ang atin pong mga House members ay nagkaroon po ng, meron pong naipon na pera para po regalo sa ating mga bronze medalists kung saan each of them will receive 2.5 million pesos each mula po sa ating mga House members. So may we invite Ira Villegas and Nesty Pitesio, please. And of course, our all House members in attendance for a one big group photo. Okay, let's have a quick photo now. Palakpakan po natin sila, mga kababayan. And again, on behalf of the Filipino people and the entire House of Representatives, we extend our deepest gratitude to our Olympic medalists. You have inspired a nation, and for that, we honor you not only with medals, but with our everlasting respect and admiration. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. And let us continue to support and uplift our athletes as they strive for greater heights. Once again, congratulations to our Olympic medalists and mabuhay ang mga atletang Pilipino!